Welcome to City Update. If you're an artist, an aspiring artist, or just someone who embraces visual arts, then you'll want to visit Cape Fear Studios in downtown Fayetteville. In their gallery, they display art from local and national artists. They also offer classes and workshops.
Cape Fear Studios opened its doors in 1989, so we've been here for 35 years now. It's a group, a local artist cooperative. Our members are all local artists in our community. Walking inside, you can of course see that this is an old building, a historic building, and we love it. We think it gives a certain ambience to the place, and it's a great place to display artwork. In the main space, when you first walk in, is our gallery space. Our exhibits vary from month to month. We open them usually on Fourth Friday, and we have a variety during the years. A lot are community-based, but we have a couple too that we open up to applicants and artists across the country. And we try to vary the media as well, from painting to sculpture to jewelry to glasswork to pottery. We have a space here that for our members, it's a place to display their work and have it for sale. It's a place also for community artists and other artists to get a chance to show their work locally. And it's an opportunity for the community to come in and just be able to look at different types of art and get a good feel for how many artists we actually do have in the Fayetteville area. Here at Cape Fear Studios, we offer a variety of classes and workshops. They vary. We have some ongoing stained glass classes, painting and drawing classes, some small pottery experience type things, and then sometimes when we have a visiting juror for some of our shows, they will do an individual workshop. Other than that, lots of times there's usually a monthly paint and sip workshop. We've had groups come in that request a certain thing, and that's always welcome as well. If you're interested in participating in some of our classes or workshops, check out our website, capefearstudios.com, and you can find us also on Facebook and Instagram. Just Google Cape Fear Studios and those should come up. We are on 148 Maxwell Street. Our hours are Tuesday through Friday, 11 to 5, and Saturdays 10 to 2.
So be sure to check out Cape Fear Studios. They're located in downtown Fayetteville, right next to the Fayetteville History Museum. You can also go to their website at capefearstudios.com to see what they've got going on. We'll see you next time.